Why does everybody assume that because you might be living with some sort of anxiety or fear or whatever might be holding you back that you're broken? You're not. And we're going to cover exactly why right now. What's up, guys? My name is Sam Becker. If this is the first time that we're meeting, it is truly an honor to make your acquaintance. Please consider liking and subscribing to my channel so I can help you grow your mind and shape it into an unstoppable confidence mindset. All right, let's get to the video. All right, so it's come to my attention that a lot of people feel that because you have some level of fear and anxiety, or maybe it's procrastination or limiting beliefs or whatever the case is, whatever's holding you back mentally, those mental blocks that are holding you back, people tend to think that this is something that needs to be fixed, because like you're broken, like you're a broken toy that needs to be fixed. And that couldn't be further from the truth. And here's why. How many times have you run into a situation where you just didn't have enough information to help you through whatever the thing that you were trying to get through, right? Perfect example of this, starting a new job, right? Starting a new job. What things do you feel like you need to have in order to do the best at that job? Probably information, maybe some training, right? The same thing applies with your mindset. You're not broken. There's nothing to fix. There's just a little bit of a lack of information that you need to find, that you need to seek that. You need to dig deep down and find the root cause and dissect what is going on. And that starts with your thought processes. Think about the stories that you're telling yourself, right? Are you telling yourself that you can do things, or are you telling yourself that you can't do things, right? Two very different scenarios, obviously, two very different conversations that happen in your mind. Now, just to kind of drill it home just a little bit, I want to pull up some celebrity examples for you. You tell me if you think that they're broken and can't do their job or haven't made a huge impact of some sort in the world, right? Emma Stone, anxiety, right? Amanda Seyfried, she's got mental blocks as well. Jonah Hill was very, very open about his mental struggles as well. In fact, what he did was he did something really unique. He decided to face it head on. In fact, it says a series of anxiety attacks caused Jonah Hill to announce August 2022 that he was stepping back from promoting his films, including a mental health documentary about himself and his therapist called Stutz. I think that's how you pronounce it. Stutz? Don't quote me on that. He says, "I am so grateful that the film will make its world premiere at a prestigious film festival this fall, and I can't wait to share it with the audience around the world in the hope that it will help those struggling. However, you won't see me out there promoting this film or any of my upcoming films while I take this important step to protect myself," right? If I made myself sicker by going out there and promoting it, it wouldn't be acting true to myself or to the film. Now, this is a unique situation because what he did was he understood that he needed to take a step back to address the things that really needed to be addressed. Like find the root cause of what's going on with his mental health, right? Don't quote me on that. I'm not inside of his, sessions by any means, of course, but from what I can see, he's taking the proactive approach at facing this head on and documented a ton of material, shown it to the world, but also demonstrating the fact that it's very, very important to take a step back and face this head on by listening to the thoughts that are in your mind, but not letting it deter you from an overall goal. You are not broken. You are not broken. Say it out loud with me. You are not broken. I am not broken. That's right. So there are a lot of different other people that I can show you. Mel Robbins, Whoopi Goldberg, all these celebrity types that seem like they're doing just fine in the world have all encountered some type of mental block, some type of anxiety, right? There's nothing to be ashamed of it. In fact, learning to live with it is going to be something that can be your superpower. It's just in the matter of way that you reframe it. If you're thinking that's going to hold you back, it will. If you think it's going to propel you into the future, it will. Remember that famous quote, whatever you believe you can or cannot do, you're right. So next time you start to think that you are broken for whatever reason, just remember, you're probably right. If you think you're broken, you're right. Truth is, you're not. But if you think you have a superpower in the way that you think and operate, you're right. And I can help you do all of that. Feel free to check out the link down below and grab a free resource that I have for you. And I hope that this was helpful. Please consider liking and subscribing to my channel so I can continue to make content just like this to be able to help you grow an unstoppable confidence mindset. All right, see you in the next video.